Yeah. Thank you. Another one? Thank you. Anybody else's bird do this for them? Clean the eye boogers out of their eye every morning?
This cockatoo's life has been completely different since the day she met her dad. When Pearl was 5 years old, her first owner died of heart complications. Then a family adopted her, but her husband hated Pearl and even got violent with her. It's when David stepped in and changed Pearl's life. From taking Pearl to the vet to spending time playing with her, David showered Pearl with his love.
First bath of the new year. Yeah. You happy? You happy? I'd say you're happy. I'd say you're happy. You're all fresh and clean. Cleaned out that 2020 smell. You ready to have a better year? Me too. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah.
About 10 years ago, David started noticing Pearl's affinity for music. He would always bring Pearl into the bathroom because she loved the warmth and humidity in there. It was where David realized Pearl would use the entire countertop to perform her own expressive dance routines. Pearl is a very intelligent bird and creates most of her dance moves on the fly.
Call and me and sing their songs on Amazon Music.
It becomes their daily routine to spend time dancing in the bathroom together. David's love transformed Pearl to a more happy and energetic one. Also, Pearl's dancing makes David's day, and all he cares about is her happiness and health. It's amazing when a guy and a cockatoo are best friends and share a love for music. Don't you think so? If Pearl's dance and David's music make you smile, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and see you soon.